Hello everyone, please read disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. Welcome to weekly stock market update. And we are going to talk about is crash over? Is it bearish or bullish? And welcome to Simple Trading Style channel. That's good thing. And now that remember this Simple Trading Style, it's very simple, but it's not easy. It works for stocks, ETFs, options, crypto, for any securities. If you like this channel, please click like button, subscribe for the channels, for the YouTube channel, Telegram and Discord community. Okay, let's move to Webull. I like Webull. Please, if you want to learn about Simple Trading Style, just go to the description. There are many links to all trainings. Okay, let's move to Webull. Webull, yeah, also about Webull setup, you can watch video. It is in the description. Let me tell you my setup. White line MA200, purple line MA100, blue line MA50, yellow line MA20, red line MA10, green line MA5. MACD, okay. Red line stop signal line, green line it's a MACD line. Similar RSI, red line signal line, green line RSI line. Awesome oscillator, green it's a bullish, red is a bearish. Okay, we are ready. Weekly review, weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is a huge time frame, right? This is top of the market, 474 top, right? This is like easy, like simple, right? Simple. We got confirmation here, right? Bearish crossover on MACD, bearish crossover. It's a sell signal just on the SPY. Okay, let's move to dollar day weekly. Dollar weekly. We will come back to the SPY. Dollar weekly, bearish crossover. Dollar wants to go bearish. Bearish, it's a bullish for indexes. Weekly dollar bearish. It closed below MA5 and 10. No yet bearish crossover on the moving averages. But on MACD, it is already confirmed. Bearish signal, histogram, on RSI, on awesome oscillator. On weekly, bearish signal. It was far from MA20. Remember, I told you it was far from MA20, and the MA10 was kind of resistant for a long time. Look at it, from New Year, even longer, right? It was from here, from previous year, a year ago. Bounce from MA10, bounce from MA10, bounce from MA10, bounce from MA10. Now it didn't bounce. It did crossover and close below. Let's see, and confirmation, bearish confirmation on MACD. Let's see, maybe it will touch MA20 and bounce from MA20. We'll see. Bearish signal on weekly for dollar. Let's check daily. It was trying to change signal to bullish, but today it changed back to bearish. Change direction back to bearish on MACD, on RSI. Awesome oscillator still green. That's what we have. For dollar. Okay, let's move to Apple weekly. Apple weekly still bearish. MACD still bearish. Bearish trend in the bearish zone. Bearish on RSI and MACD. Change direction on awesome oscillator today, but still in the bearish trend. The bar still between all moving averages, still above MA200. Bearish signal weekly. Let's move to daily. bearish signal daily also. Apple bearish. Apple bearish, it's not good for Qs. Okay, let's move to Qs. Let's move to Qs weekly. Move to Qs weekly. Weekly, we are bearish from September 23, right? From September 23, Qs are bearish. Qs in the bearish trend from September 23. That's when we received bearish crossover on MACD. It has bullish divergence. It has bullish divergence on MACD. On all indicators, it has bullish divergence. Look at it. This point and this point, it's a downtrend, right? This bar, downtrend direction for market, for bars. But it's an uptrend direction for MACD, uptrend direction for RSI, uptrend direction to awesome oscillator, right? It's a bullish divergence, but still bearish, no confirmation signal here. And bars for last 6 weeks, right? 7 weeks sits, and they sit at the MA20 and MA20 strong support. MA20s, I'm sorry, MA200. They stay on MA200 and they still MA200 still uptrend, MA100 still uptrend. It's a good bullish. It's uptrend, bullish uptrend. Good bullish uptrend. Let's see if the MACD can do bullish crossover and on weekly. At least this week it was negative week. Let's see next week. Maybe next week will be bullish and it will change direction to bullish. So far it's a bearish week, bearish signal on MACD and awesome oscillator, but bullish divergences on all indicators. Remember, when we have bullish divergences, market can change direction anytime. It can change direction anytime to bullish. On daily, let's check on daily. Qs on daily. On daily, it changed direction yesterday to bearish on daily and still bearish signal on all indicators. On daily, still bearish signal. MA5 yet bearish crossover and all bars below all moving averages. Still bearish signal on Qs. It has to move up above MA20, change direction on MACD. Okay, it has to do a lot of work to change direction to bullish. So far, it's a bearish on daily. Bearish on daily. Okay, let's move to VXN. VXN on weekly. VXN is volatility index for Nasdaq. Weekly MACD just touched signal line. The bar still green, but let's MA5 didn't cross over MA10. MACD didn't cross over yet, but it's ready. RSI already did crossover. Let's consider it as a bearish crossover. Bearish crossover on all indicators. VXN, it wants to go bearish. It's a bullish for Qs. Bullish for Qs when VXN is bearish on weekly. Let's check on daily. On daily, it's a bearish on daily from October 17. Bearish on daily from October 17 on all indicators. Still bearish. Okay, let's move to SPY. SPY weekly. Okay. The last bar, the week, still weak. Red, right? Still the red week, similar like Q, red week. The similar week like it was previous week, but previous week closed green. But this week is kind of, this bar is similar like previous week, and it's still in decision mode, right? It's between MA 20 and 10. MACD didn't do bullish crossover yet. It's on RSI, awesome oscillator. Yeah, let's see. We need another week to see confirmation. So far, no, only confirmation on awesome oscillator. Looks like it wants to go bullish. It wants to go bullish. It bounced from MA200. Look at it, like it bounced from MA200 and wants to go bullish. Still below MA20. We need to close above MA20 to be bullish. Mixed mode wants to go bullish. SPY on weekly. Let's check on daily SPY. SPY on daily. Still bullish on MACD. But on awesome oscillator already bearish. It's mixed mode, yeah. It's still SPY in the mixed mode. We need confirmation. We need more data to confirm direction. Still in the mixed mode between bearish and bullish. Is it crash over? Looks like it's building the bottom, right? Look at it. It's building the bottom. But let's do summary and we'll talk about that. Yeah, building the bottom. Looks like it's like this is left shoulder. This is head, and it's building right shoulder, right? It can be head and shoulder pattern in reverse, upside down, in reverse position. It can bounce from it and goes up. Let's see. Still bullish on daily. Still bullish on daily. Let's move to VIX. VIX on weekly. VIX on weekly. It's ready for bearish crossover. RSI already did bearish crossover. Awesome oscillator already did bearish crossover. MACD ready to do bearish crossover. MA5 ready to do bearish crossover. Bar close below MA 5, 10, 20, and 50. Bearish signal. Bearish signal on VIX. Bullish on SPY. Let's see on daily. Daily it's a bearish from October 14. Bearish crossover on MACD. Bearish signal on daily on VIX. It's a bullish for SPY. Dow Jones weekly. Dow Jones weekly. Red week. We had 4 green weeks before. Now it's a red week. Still bullish trend. Bullish signal MACD. RSI. All indexes in a bullish trend. Bullish signal with bullish divergences on all indicators. Still positive and bullish for Dow on weekly. Has gap below current state, but still bullish trend on all indicators. And in the MA 200 and 100, it's uptrend. Bullish trend for Dow. Bullish trend for Dow on weekly, right? Let's check on daily. Daily, still bullish trend on daily. Awesome oscillator change color to bearish, but still bullish. Volume is strong, still bullish, and last bar above all moving averages, still bullish on daily also. VXD, volatility index for Dow weekly, still bullish, but it wants change direction to bearish. No confirmation on MACD yet. We have confirmation on RSI, have confirmation on awesome oscillator. No confirmation on MACD. Bar closed below MA5 and 10. Still bullish. Still bullish. Weekly. On daily it's bearish from October 14. Bearish, it's bullish for Dow. Yeah, it sits on the MA 200. Last bar, last several bars they stay on MA 200. To MA 200 strong support. Let's see if it bounces from MA 200 or it close below. It can bounce from it, like here, bounce to 34. 23, it's still high weeks level, still high. We need to move to 13, like we here, right? 13, it's yeah, 13 below 10, it's normal state, not bearish. So far it can go bearish easy. I mean bearish for Dow. When it's 13, it's a bullish for Dow. When it's at 34, it's a bearish for Dow. Okay, let's move to IWM. IWM weekly. IWM weekly. MACD bullish crossover. Bullish trend. Red wick. But red wick still close above MA5, 10, 20, 200. It's a bullish direction. Bullish direction. Bullish signal on all indicators on weekly. Let's check on daily. IWM. On daily, still bullish. Still bullish on MACD. Bullish on RSI. Bearish signal on awesome oscillator. On daily. Okay. Let's do summary, right? Let's do summary. Summary weekly. We still have, yeah, still bearish on weekly. It's ready to change direction on weekly to bullish. Still bearish, but on daily. And on daily also it wants to change direction to bullish. It's a mixed mode and still, yeah, still bearish. Still bearish. It is. We cannot confirm that it's a market already crashes. Market already changed direction to bullish. Still between bearish and bullish. Still bearish trend. Still in the bearish trend on daily, weekly, and no bullish confirmation yet for indexes. Only Dow, right? Only Dow is still daily bullish and weekly bullish. Only Dow in a positive zone. And remember, yeah, they have bullish divergences. All on weekly, all indexes have bullish divergences, and they bounce. Dow bounce from 200. IWM bounce from 200. SPY also. SPY bounce from 200. And Qs, let's see. And Qs at 200. 200, it's a strong support level. We didn't touch MA 200 from 2020. Remember, on 2020, it was the time when we touched on the weekly MA 200 and market bounced from MA 200. It was 2 years ago, right? 2.5 years ago. Long time we didn't touch MA 200. And finally we did on weekly. We touched on weekly. It can bounce. It can bounce from 200 and go up. We have bullish divergence on all indicators for all indexes, and all volatility indexes for all indexes, they are bearish. It's kind of mixed mode. All volatility index bearish on weekly and daily, and it's a bullish for indexes, but indexes still in the bearish mode. Still in the bearish mode. Let's see. Next week should give us some strong change. As of now, it's kind of indecision mode. Okay, but remember, we follow the market. We don't fight with the market. Look at it here, like here, right? Yeah. We follow the market. We don't predict the market. We don't have crystal ball. and be ready. Remember, the good trader who can take small losses and let winner run. That's the simple trading style, but it's the most complicated part. It's not easy to take losses. You have to practice on a small amount of stocks, like 100 stocks. Buy just stock, don't buy 1,000. Buy 100, buy 10, whatever you can, smallest. If you can take loss small, $50 to $100, just take it small loss. Train yourself to take small losses, because it's hard to take large losses when you have 5,000, 10,000 and with the large trades. You cannot take. Can you take the loss 1 million on the large trades? But traders can, who trade like billions, account with dozens of billions. They can take millions of losses. They can take millions of losses. That's the difference. But it's the same. It could be the same 1%. Could be same 1% from 100 shares, or 1% from one share, or 1% for a million shares. It's the same loss, 1%. But on a psychology level, it's very difficult to accept that loss and take it. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for your time. And we just did weekly review. And remember, it works for this simple trading style, works for stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto. I do also daily review and my weekly review and monthly review for crypto. Please click like button and subscribe for YouTube channel, Telegram, and Discord community. I do publish additional charts to Telegram and Discord community. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.